In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon Pay gift card. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once the Amazon website appears in the results, go ahead and open it. If you're prompted to log in, sign into your Amazon account before continuing. This helps make the checkout process smoother and ensures you can complete the purchase without interruptions later on. After you're signed in, move to the search bar at the top of the Amazon homepage and type in Amazon gift card. Then press enter to view the results. You'll usually see several gift card options, so take a moment to choose the correct one. What you want here is the Amazon Pay e-gift card, or in some cases it may appear as Amazon e-gift card depending on your region or the exact listing available. Once you've selected the card, the next step is to choose the amount you want to send. Amazon often gives you a few preset values that you can click for convenience, but if you want a different amount, you can usually enter a custom denomination manually. This is useful if you're working with a specific budget or sending a gift for a particular occasion. Next, choose how you want the gift card to be delivered. If you want Amazon to send it directly, you can pick email or SMS and then enter the recipient's email address or phone number. This option is quick and convenient because the recipient receives a direct link to claim the gift card. Just make sure the contact details are entered correctly so there are no delivery issues. Another option is to share it via link. This generates a shareable link that you can copy and send yourself through apps like WhatsApp, Viber, or Messenger. This method can be helpful if you want to include the gift card in a personal message or send it through a platform the recipient checks more often. After that, set the delivery schedule. You can choose to send the gift card right away if it's needed immediately, or you can schedule it for a future date, sometimes up to a year in advance. That's especially helpful for birthdays, holidays, or planned events. When everything looks correct, proceed to checkout. Select your primary credit card or debit card as the payment method, then tap Buy Now to complete the purchase. Once the order goes through, the digital claim code is typically delivered to the selected inbox within about 5 minutes. Before you confirm the order, it's always a good idea to quickly review the amount, delivery method, and recipient details one last time. That way, you can avoid mistakes and make sure the gift card reaches the right person without delay.